yogis. So a lot of the time when we're coming into Vrksasana, into tree pose, what we do is we reach forward to grab the foot. We lift it as high as we can on the thigh and then place it there and then do whatever it is that we want to do in our pose. So instead of that, what I'm going to suggest that you try is to really think about keeping the pelvis and rib cage still as you move and just getting some pure movement right in the hip joint. So what we'll do is we'll send our weight over into the standing leg without letting that hip pop out. And we're just going to lift a little bit the lifted leg. We're going to rotate out at the hip just as far as we can go easily without moving around through the pelvis and the rib cage, yeah? So we're going to rotate out and then we're going to lift up, keeping the pelvis really still. So I have my hands on my pelvis so that I can feel when and if my pelvis starts to tilt in order to lift the leg higher. So I'm going to keep the pelvis level and I'm going to lift that foot as high as I can. And you'll notice it's on my knee joint. That's actually okay. Our knees are more robust than we're often led to believe. And I'm not going to push that foot into the knee. I'm actually going to keep lifting that foot as strongly as I can upward, as though I could slide that foot all the way up into my groin. It's still breathing. Keeping the pelvis stable, so there's a boundary with the position of the pelvis, and then really just letting the muscles of the hip work here. All right? So play with that, see how it feels.